Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Uphold, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Uphold, begin by visiting the official Uphold website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the specified field. Next, review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your registration. Return to the Uphold website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you may be prompted to complete additional security measures, such as enabling two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up these security features. After securing your account, provide the necessary personal information as requested. This may include your full name, address, and date of birth. Submit the requested identification documents, which may include a government-issued ID and proof of residence. Upon submission, Uphold will review your documents for verification. Once your identity is verified, you will be notified via email. After verification, you can access your account and start exploring the platform. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Congratulations, you are now successfully registered with Uphold. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.